Monitoring CO2 can increase your cognitive performance, reduce the risk for viral infection, and make our building more energy efficient. This is why Sensirion developed a miniaturized CO2 sensor with the mission to break the size barrier for CO2 sensors. Hi, my name is Marco, and I am very excited to present the SCD4X evaluation kit and how it can be used to easily evaluate our revolutionary CO2 sensor. Compared to its predecessor, the SCD4X is 7 times smaller. It is SMD, thus allowing for cost-effective assembly. It allows for adjustable power consumption and offers many more great features. Now, this technological breakthrough is enabled through Sensirion's patented PA-Sense technology that is based on the photoacoustic sensing principle. Not only allows the SCD4X evaluation kit for easy sensor evaluation, it is also the perfect toolbox to easily prototype in your product environment. So let's take a look inside. Simply scan the QR code on the backside of the flyer to get access to our evaluation kit landing page, where you will find all necessary documentation, driver, and other tutorials. At the core of the evaluation kit is the SCD41 development board. As you can see, we have the sensor here. The JST connector allows to easily interface with the sensor without the need for a manual soldering step. Additionally, you can connect to the sensor via the through-hole pins and communicate with the sensor via the I2C protocol. The adapter cable that is part of the evaluation kit connects to the development board on one side and to the Sensirion sensor bridge on the other side. Please note that the Sensirion sensor bridge must be bought separately. Together with our free Control Center Viewer software, they represent our straightforward plug-and-play solution for easy sensor evaluation. In addition to the adapter cable, the evaluation kit contains a jumper wire. Again, we connect via the JST header. We have the jumper cables on the other side that allow us to easily connect to our embedded platform or our product prototyping environment. So as you see, the SCD4X evaluation kit is the perfect toolbox to get started with our CO2 sensor easily. So go ahead and get your own evaluation kit via one of our many distribution partners. Please visit sensirion.com/SCD4X to get more information on our sensor. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and hopefully see you soon again.